welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm back with LAKSHMI. I'm back! And yes, we actually have a really special occasion coming up, and we need to make a really special cake.
Yes.
And as you might know from previous videos, what's your favourite flavour?
Ferrero Rochers.
Yes. We're going to make Ferrero Rocher, but in the form of a cake.
Yes.
How does that sound?
And why are we doing this?
Well, maybe you'd like to explain.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
Yay.
Yes.
So we wanted to make a special cake to celebrate.
Yes.
And obviously the flavour that you like the most.
Yeah, Ferrero Rocher birthday cake sounds pretty exciting.
Yeah, and as you know, it's all vegan and it's healthy. So
wow.
You can actually eat it and not be worrying about getting excess sugar or excess bad fat.
That's
or
fantastic.
Excess processed food.
Because we love a good birthday feast.
Yeah, we do, don't we?
Without extra...
Yeah, all the yucky processed stuff.
That makes you feel gross the next day.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure you know when you eat too much processed food, you don't feel really good at the end of it.
You almost feel hungover, and I don't even drink. So.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right, because just eating processed food can give you that same sort of feeling.
Yeah, you feel dead when you wake up.
Really exhausted, drained, lacking in energy.
And we don't have time for that.
No, we definitely don't. So this is more like a raw cheesecake. It's not a cooked cake.
Delicious.
Yeah, so it's very healthy. All the ingredients are kept in a more raw state.
Yeah.
Which makes them even more nutritious.
It's weird because I've never seen a Ferrero Rocher cake in this way, but I've seen cakes decorated with Ferrero Rochers at the bakery.
Yeah.
And we've had some, and honestly, all I can taste is sugar. It's too much.
Yeah, you're quite right. Sugar is the overwhelming flavour you get with things like this.
Yeah.
Whereas if you use the whole unprocessed ingredients, you really get the taste of each ingredient.
Yeah, exactly. You can taste the flavours properly, as you mentioned.
That's right. It's not all overwhelmed by sugar. You actually taste the flavour.
I know. We got to stop this sugar addiction.
Yeah, I know. And you're right. It's an addiction.
Yeah.
Sugary food is addictive.
Yeah, because you don't actually like what you're eating.
Yeah.
Like, it's just this addictive
It just makes you want to eat more, because I've experienced it as well. If you keep eating something high in sugar, even though your body feels like it doesn't want it, your brain just feels like it wants to keep going.
That's what happens to me when I eat chips.
Yeah, well, you've got a chip addiction. I had a chocolate or sugary addiction.
I love me some chips. Okay, so let's start making this cake.
Main ingredient for Ferrero Rocher is hazelnuts, as you know.
Yes.
To get that lovely hazelnut taste.
That's the key.
So I've got raw roasted hazelnuts.
Are these pre-roasted?
Yeah, they've already been roasted. You can buy them roasted, or you can roast them yourself.
And when you do yourself, they're so good.
Oh yeah, they're actually even better, but just time-wise, I didn't have time.
Yeah.
But normally I probably would roast them myself.
Because we have party things to get ready for, even though it's a COVID party at home. But it's going to be good.
So let's do half a cup of these. So next we have oats. Just plain oats, which is a very heart-healthy ingredient.
That's good for me.
Yeah, very good for your heart. Gives you sustained energy. So we'll do a cup of that.
Whole cup of oats.
Oats are very, very good food to include in your diet.
I eat these for breakfast.
Yeah, and they're good at any time of day, and they go with sweet and savoury. I'm going to blend them till they break down a little bit and become more powdery.
Crunchy.
Yeah. As you can see, they've just broken down a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to add some more stuff now.
What are we going to add?
Delicious hazelnut butter.
Hazelnut butter? What
Smell that.
Did you make this?
Yeah, I made that myself. Just by grinding down the
Yum.
roasted hazelnuts with some coconut
Imagine
oil.
that on toast.
Well, I have it on toast for breakfast.
Oh.
And it's delicious.
How did I not know about this?
Yeah, try some on toast. It's really good. So,
With jam.
yeah, with jam. Except I try not to eat the jam because it's very sugary.
Yes. Need homemade jam.
Yeah. So we need 2 tablespoons of this. Now we need coconut oil. We need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So now we need maple syrup.
Okay.
3 tablespoons. Maca powder. And maca is from Peru. It's a root.
Is it maca or matcha?
Maca.
Oh, so it's different.
Yeah, matcha is green tea powder.
Oh.
Maca is from a root. It comes from Peru.
Wow.
And it's got a caramel taste.
Smells like roasted caramel.
And it's got similar health properties to cacao powder.
Yum.
So it's very good for you. And it gives it a little extra flavour.
Wow.
Like you could leave it out, but I think it just adds to the flavour.
I don't know why when I smell it, I feel like flying to Peru.
Yeah, flying to Peru.
I think I'm going to do that.
So we'll take a teaspoon of this. Vanilla.
My favorite.
Yeah, my favourite.
Favorite.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. If you add more vanilla, you won't feel like you need excess sugar either. Because it rounds out the whole flavour and has its own sweetness as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
So now we need cacao powder.
Chocolate.
2 tablespoons. This gives the chocolate element. Himalayan
Oh yes,
salt.
I love Himalayan salt.
And salt, of course, brings out the flavour.
I swear this tastes better than the regular salt. I don't know why, but it
just
does.
a little, you don't need a lot. It just brings out the flavour of the chocolate. As you can see, it's become like
The
a
dough.
paste. Let's have some. That's good.
Oh wow.
You can taste the hazelnuts.
Bloody heck, this is good.
Does that taste like Ferrero Rocher already a bit?
It does, but the healthier version, when I mean healthier, I'm getting more flavors.
Yeah.
Not just sugar and chocolate
Yeah.
and nut. There's more coming through.
Yeah, I agree.
It's like going to a chocolate forest.
All those ingredients we put in are coming out, aren't they, in the flavour?
Yeah.
We got a tin lined with some paper and just oiled a bit.
I did this without paper once and it was bad.
Yeah, it just helps it to come out. So we need half the mixture in the tin.
Yep.
Just dip the spoon in water and then it won't stick to the mixture so much. It's a bit easier. That as the base. So we're going to put that in the freezer to firm up while we make the filling.
This is one
and
we
we'll
prepare.
leave this, it's going to go on top at the end. So we're going to make the creamy filling now. And I've got cashews I've soaked in boiling water.
Yes.
They've been soaking probably a couple of hours.
That's not too
But
long.
if you don't have that much time, 20 to 30 minutes is enough. But obviously the longer you soak them, the softer they get, the easier they are to blend.
So you do it first thing.
Yeah, so I'll just strain that.
And then do your hair and makeup.
I'm just going to divide them between the 2 blender cups so they'll blend better than if you just put them in one. So just divide those. So now we need the next ingredient.
Yes.
we're going back to our hazelnut butter.
Oh.
Because that gives such a nice hazelnut taste.
How much?
No, 1/3 of a cup. This is 1/3 of a cup. I'll just get a spoon.
Could have just done the actual measurement for this thing.
It doesn't matter, I'm just putting it between two so it blends better. If you got a different type of blender, you just put it in the one. A cup of our cacao powder.
More chocolate.
So we need 4 tablespoons.
Where?
Tablespoons of maple syrup. So you can put 2 in here and 2 in here. Of nacca powder again.
Okay.
So that's a half, so put a half in here and a half in there. Spoon of vanilla in each because there's 2 altogether in the mixture.
Yep.
Yeah. Now we need coconut cream.
Coconut.
So just from a can of coconut cream, you get the hard part that rises to the top. The water's left in there.
Yeah.
So we just need to divide that up.
How much? The whole thing?
Yeah, we're using all the coconut cream from the can. That gives a nice creamy texture to the filling. Pinch of salt just to bring out the flavours.
Pinch.
Yeah.
Punch.
Right. Now we just have to blend them.
Okay.
There's our nice mixture. So we'll just do the next one. Right. Now we want to scrape that one out too.
Bloody heck.
To complete the mixture, I have a cup of melted dark chocolate, vegan chocolate, yes. We're going to mix that in to here. So let's scrape that in.
Yum.
This gives it more of a chocolatey taste.
I can see.
Yeah. So to complete our filling, we're going to put in some crushed whole hazelnuts. So I've got here over here about half a cup of roasted crushed hazelnuts. So we'll just add that in because you know Ferrero Rocher of course has the whole hazelnuts in it. So we want to complete that sort of taste. So we'll just fold those in. You can actually put, if you want to put more nuts in there, you can. It's sort of up to your personal taste.
Chillin'.
So now we need to put the filling on to the chilling
all of this
base. Yeah.
Wow, what the heck.
It's quite a rich cheesecake.
This is gonna be very nice.
So, like, you know, you only need a small piece at a time, I guess.
I'm gonna blow the candles out and take the whole cake to my room.
Freezer again, just to firm it a bit. Then we're going to put that topping on. So I'm just putting it back in the freezer just for a little while. Chilling for a little while. It's just firmed up a bit. So we're going to take the mixture we made before and just put this on the top. You do need to chill it for a while so it's firm enough to put the topping on or it will be quite difficult. And then you can just melt some more chocolate if you like and just pour that over like this. So we have a bit of a chocolate shell on the top. Yes. So now we need to leave this in the freezer to set.
Okay.
Once it's set, we can unmold it and we can decorate. Like, you don't need to decorate it any further, but if you want to, you can make chocolate shards.
Oh,
and you can stick them on after to make it look a bit more interesting.
All right, let's get in the freezer.
Yeah. Well, we've left the cake in the freezer overnight just to make sure it sets properly.
Yes.
And today's the day we're going to finish decorating it.
I thought you were about to say today's my birthday.
What do you want to say?
Today is my birthday.
Yay! Today is actually Lakshmi's birthday.
We're about to go out because the restaurant's just open.
Yeah, we're very excited because we haven't been out anywhere for quite a while now.
Right on time. Right on time.
Yeah, just in time for your birthday. Yeah.
I knew this was going to happen.
So we'll finish decorating our lovely Ferrero Rocher cheesecake.
Yeah, so we can eat it when we get back.
Yeah. So we've just got some melted chocolate and some chocolate shards with hazelnuts on them.
Very nice.
Which I just made by melting chocolate, putting it on a tray and sprinkling nuts on it and waiting till it sets. Then just breaking it into pieces, which you can stick on in any way you wish, using the melted chocolate to stick it on. And there's extra hazelnuts, crushed or whole. And you could put a little sprinkle of maca powder on if you wanted to. So would you like to have a go at decorating the cake? There we have the fabulous Ferrero Rocher cake. And let me say, this is the first time Lakshmi has made her own birthday cake.
Oh my gosh!
And I must say you've done a really good job too. It looks really cool.
Well, you did most of it.
Well, I mean, I guided you and you did it. So you know how to make it. And as you can see, it's actually quite simple to make, really, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Chocolatey Ferrero goodness.
And I'm sure it's going to taste good too.
With some coffee.
Yeah, or some tea. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.